Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm talking about the EV space, but more importantly I'm focusing on NIO as a company and just relating the news that's been going on recently with this company and how that can affect the price going forward. Now I would like to remind you guys that we are about to hit 4,000 subscribers, so definitely hit the bell for notifications when you subscribe so you guys don't miss a future upload, an update on NIO and stuff. So also, if you're new to investing, definitely check the links in the description. You guys will be able to get free stocks with Webull and Robinhood, and you guys can get started investing that way. With start out with a few stocks. It doesn't take long to get started, like 10 minutes to get signed up and everything. But yeah, go ahead and do that if you're new to investing. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Definitely. So now we're gonna talk about the news and stuff. Chris tweeted, Neolife announced a partnership with DHS, Chinese sporting goods retail company, to launch the I Am the Champion National Fashion Limited Series. The products are available on the marketplace at Neo app, so you guys can actually see that. If you guys have the Neo app downloaded, you guys will be able to see what's going on with this. And I see them targeting the younger generation in China, definitely by promoting this fashion line, the collaboration basically. I like seeing this, man. This is a good move for Neo. I can see this helping them gain more exposure and stuff, and help them stay in the news a bit over there. I don't know. I hope this can bring up a long lasting partnership that can boost sales for Neo. I just that's the goal really for us investors. Is we hope that that's what takes place, and I can lead to that. It can happen. If it's a success, the partnership can actually develop into something good for the company. And who knows, like I said, Neo's right now is focused on the cars, but they are building an ecosystem, so they have the Neo house, the Neo club. Like they have everything going on for it right now. The Neo app, like this is a whole ecosystem, man. And they're getting into clothing, so that's cool to see that. Man, what if Neo gets into smartphones and stuff? Like that would be sick, right? Because they already have autopilot technologies, a lot of cool stuff, AI, AI assisted stuff. Like they're gonna be able to get into that as well. I can see that happening. I mean, in the future, if they keep branching out, it's like they're trying to become the Amazon of China in a way. First they start out with cars, but then they now they're doing everything. How Amazon started with the books. I think Neo is gonna start with cars, and they're gonna try to do everything. Promote a lot. They're gonna have Neo restaurants, and shit like that. So that's pretty exciting, guys. This whole ecosystem thing is amazing. Like what they're trying to do, they're trying to take over. That's for sure. But if you sold Tesla or Neo in the past 2 days, smarter and stronger investors bought your shares. Now slap yourself, silly. Yeah, these guys who bought in right now at the dip, man, they have stronger hands. They're not gonna be shaken out with these little price dips. But another thing is that unlike every other automaker, Neo supplemented the charging option for its electric vehicles by launching a battery swapping system, a network which currently has swapping stations in 62 cities. Neo calls the service Power Swap, and it takes just 3 minutes, faster than fueling a fossil fueled SUV, and obviously faster than charging your EV car or Tesla. So that's pretty cool. And this guy say, Jake from Steak Farm, cool username, said breaking Tesla's woes are not Neo's. Swappable battery is superior. I agree with that. I think that this battery swap thing is superior technology in the EV space. This is insane. So yeah, there's been some unusual trading activity with Neo, and as it relates to hedge funds and stuff. So this is cool. They're actually buying calls at $22, and that's pretty interesting, man. They're hoping that this stock gets to 22 by around October 16th. Like we've been saying, middle of October, we see the stock maybe late October even getting to the $24 area. So that just reinforces that idea right there. Now, Neo Time special number 1, Neo OS 2.7, the power up plan. And then moreover on the Neo Life and DHS, the clothing line partnership. This just goes over the recent stuff that's been going on in the news with Neo and stuff, how they're planning to innovate and change up stuff that they got going on right now, just their AI systems and autopilot. This is pretty cool though to know that NIO is actually China's first EV brand to integrate high precision map application onto the NOP technology. So there's 23 sensor devices, a high precision map, location precision up to 20 centimeters. There are 1 million kilometer charging lane scenario data, neural network modeling, and optimized lane change. So pretty safe car, right? If they have all that technology implemented. Now 300,000 plus accumulated test drive ranges. So they've really been testing this out a lot. They have a lot of data accumulated to come up with those numbers and stuff, and to improve their technology. Now this is pretty cool. It's more on the NIO OS and how they're improving that also, to have a better experience for users while they're driving the car. They're really focusing on the NIO Power Up plan as well. So yeah, a lot of cool stuff from that. A lot of developments, guys, recently with NIO, right? So that's pretty good to know. Now NIO responds to Tesla's Battery Day announcements by unveiling a new power-up plan along with a version upgrade of its drive assist functionality. This is what NIO Time tweeted, but it's the NIO launching this plan to install the 20 kilowatt power home pluses at the 30,000 destinations in China with $100 million RMB investment for local business partners. So this is China, partnering up with a lot of the local businesses in China, and then working together to integrate this whole power up plan and allow NIO to set up their charging stations there. So that's pretty good for business. Now one thing that they got going on also is the battery as a service, which offers the users, NIO users, to actually rent the battery instead of like buying it up front. So that it reduces the price to buy the car. So you're shaving $10,000 off the price of the vehicle, whether it's a ES8, ES6, or EC6. Now you will be paying though at a subscription fee with $141 per month. But I mean, it's like if you don't want to spend an extra $10,000 up front, this is pretty useful. If you want to maybe invest that money instead. People in the United States already pay over $100 per month on subscription. So to some people, this would be like another subscription, right? To pay $141 for the NIO battery and renting and stuff, and at least you save that money up front, the $10,000, and you're able to invest that. You're able to play with that in the stock market or with crypto. I don't know, but that could be well for a lot of people in their situation. Also, like, there's just more stuff about NIO beginning the delivery of the electric EC6 SUV, and then what you need to know. I think what you really need to know about this is like that NIO has seen a sales resurgence after C19 cases receded in China. The addition of the EC6 should serve as a catalyst to accelerate the ongoing sales momentum. So yeah, this is just gonna help them get more and more sales, like they have been recently, breaking records and stuff month by month. Like, this is very good. Yeah, I found this interesting trading view post, and it's Bullish chart saying that NIO may benefit from the NKLA demise. So it's crazy, man, that a US company, a EV company, that can happen to it, man. Like, with all the drama that took place and fraud, allegations with the founder stepping down, like, this just scary times, man, for anyone who was invested in that heavily. Like, that's what you got in this EV space. You gotta diversify. You gotta not just focus on NIO. Don't even just focus on Tesla, man. Put your money into Workhorse, NIO, and Tesla, and then buy some like different like stocks, not just like EV stocks, obviously. But if you're playing with traditional markets, you definitely gotta diversify. And even with cryptocurrencies, that is very true. Like, there's people that are putting all their money into XRP. But there's other coins that are going to do well too. It's not just XRP. I mean, Bitcoin, Ethereum, obviously the number one, number two. But there's going to be other altcoins just like XLM, ADA. Like, those are going to be fire. But people like to put their money into one just because they're more familiar with it. But definitely, man, do your research. Just look into all this stuff like blockchain technologies and how that's the future. Look into EV because that's the future of cars, or the car industry. So yeah, this is really interesting. He says that the stock could actually like go up because of those news. Like, a lot of investors who were in Nikola, they can go into investing into NIO instead, or Tesla. So another post on TradingView is by the Trading Star, and he's giving an update on the Bullish Staircase channel, and he's saying that after a healthy consolidation, he expects the price to head upwards towards that $21 to $27 area after 13 more trading days, because the last consolidation period lasted 36 days. So he expects 2 more weeks to go by before we could actually see price action take place and that moving the price up for NEO. But yeah, who knows what's really gonna happen. I'll still keep you guys updated on news regarding NEO and just give you guys more predictions and keep you guys bullish, just like I'm bullish. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.